Good morning Kailian, good morning, good morning. Anyaman ti ayan mo tadta wherever you are sa buong mundo. This is the morning now sa atin dito sa Kabayang Benguet. Medyo summer seems to start. Medyo mainit na ng konti. Medyo mataas na yung init but it's early in the morning as 7 o'clock, past 7 o'clock. So, naglalakad muna tayo for the morning walk. Medyo mainit-init na po yung panahon ngayon. So, it seems summer starts for the year 2026. At nafe-feel na natin yung mainit na hangin, mainit na panahon. Pero hindi kagaya sa lowland area, which is really different from the temperature dito sa atin sa norte or sa northern part of the Philippines. Lalo na dito sa Benguet. Ganyan ang umaga natin. So, lakad-lakad muna tayo bago start back to work. Home-based work po tayo. Nagtatrabaho tayo sa bahay. Pero mamaya pa po yung start natin. So, up late last night. Kailangan magpalakad-lakad muna sa umaga to prepare for the day. So, thank you thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang view ng mga pine trees natin. Yan. So, this is, anyway, we are along Mongoto Road, which is, this road is coming up from the center, going up to Timbak. This is Mongoto Road. It's going up to Timbak where you can find the Mummy Cave. Okay? At dito rin ang daan papunta doon sa homestay ng Balay and doon sa grotto sa Timbak. So here, if you want to come over, come and visit us and enjoy the still cold breeze of the weather and Kabayan Benguet. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!